हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज हमारा ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग के साथ सेमिनार क्लास भी है, तो हम दोनों को मिक्स कर रहे हैं और हमारा सेमिनार क्लास इंग्लिश में रहेगा, ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग क्लास हिंदी में रहेगा। तो हम मेनली सेमिनार में एक टॉपिक स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक दिए हैं स्टूडेंट्स को और उसमें आज का टॉपिक है फूड सप्लीमेंट प्योरिटी के ऊपर आज का टॉपिक है। तो उसके बारे में जो जितना भी रिसर्च किया है उसके बारे में सब बताएंगे और ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग हम अपने अपने फील्ड में जो अपने अपने फील्ड में सही है, मतलब थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस है, थोड़ा रिसर्च कर रहा है, उसके बारे में वो सब डिस्कशन करेंगे हम सब मिलके। तो यही चीज़ है। तो चलिए देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है, कौन क्या लाता है। नहीं, सबसे पहले कौन बोलना चाहेगा?
Is our food supplement and its purity. So starting, we understand what we trying to convey through this video. Supplements we use for are used for nutrients we cannot get by our food. So we use supplement for different nutrition. Supplement purity is a common issue in our age because we don't eat that much to fulfill our all nutrition goals. In calciums and some type of vitamins we don't get from our fruit enough to fulfill our needs, because first and generally youth, because they don't eat that much or they need more than they eat and they want low calories and only that nutrition, so they take supplements. But we have to understand supplement is not replacement for food, because in food we get micronutrition and other type of things that can also help us. We use supplement for that thing we cannot get or cannot get enough for our body. In purity concept, we in supplement there are additives, there are heavy metals and some harmful chemical that is not recommended for our body by WHO.
Today our topic is food supplement and its purity. Food supplement is not an extraordinary thing, it's just a extra nutrition. There are many types of food supplement, protein, fish oil, omega 3, gym and take supplement. So a kindly request to them, please if possible take natural supplement. That's it.
There is many fake gym supplements are sold in the market. This product make false promise like build muscles in 30 days. How gym supplements scam happens? 1. Fake protein powder. Cheap powder is sold with a big brand label. Second, 2. Wrong ingredients. The label shows are thing, but inside there is something else. Third, social media. Social media scam. Some people promote supplements online without any proof. Fourth, false claim. They say no exercise needed or 100%, which is not true. Problem of fake supplements are they can cause health problems. Money gets wasted. They can be dangerous for the body. And how to stay safe? Buy supplements only from trusted shops. Take advice from the doctor and trainer. Focus more on natural foods. Do not take shortcuts for fitness. This topic conclusion was real fitness comes from hard work, discipline and healthy food, not from fake supplements. Okay, thank you.
The food supplement purity problem means that food supplements are not clean and safe because many quantity of wrong ingredients and harmful effect of impure food supplement. They can damage liver and kidney, lead to allergy and stomach problem. Long term use can causes serious disease. Food supplements are dangerous because they can harm different organs of our body.
Supplement purity problem is when the supplement are not pure or not safe for us and the contain have harmful ingredients which is causes our health, and the solutions are buy supplement with FSSI and GMP certification, avoid very cheap or fake brands, and check expiry date and batch number. Thank you.
Supplements are natural nutrition take along with normal food substance health support health. They vitamin minerals fish oils carbon